And the search for good barbecue continues. Today we're in Memphis Fire Barbeque Company. And this is the border. Hey, who is this? It's in the border between Stoney Creek and Winona, I think this area is called. Let's go inside and see what's up, man. Yeah? What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. How you doing?
Not too bad. How about you?
Good, man. Never been here before. And there's 2, 4, 5 of us.
5 of you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at all the awards, man. Something in AC. You got AC for us?
Yeah, we got AC in here. No worries.
Nice. So what do you guys got here? Cerveza?
Dos cervezas, por favor.
Steam whistle? Texas Pete hot sauce. Yeah, that's pure vinegar, man. That thing wasn't anything good. So, as usual, you guys will have to pause the video to see what the menu is all about. But got the smoked wings and stuff like that. Poutine and all that stuff. What we got here now? Smoking fire combo, half rocker ribs. I'll show you guys in a second. We went with the legendary Memphis tour, so pulled pork, beef brisket, ribs, and a couple of sides. My mom is a huge fan of ribs. My dad loves beef, so the beef brisket will be for him. I don't know who's gonna eat the pulled pork. I'm not really feeling all that hungry today, but a lot of choices for burgers and stuff like that. We did, however, try. We went with the buttermilk biscuit, French fries. Yeah, those are the two, and I think Taya over there.
How cute am I?
Those are Sheena. She looking for fame. Oh, wait a minute. I've never had a milkshake before. Maybe this might be the day I have a milkshake.
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better
Oh,
than
we're
yours.
just singing and dancing. And I'm just doing my customary coffee. I know it's hot outside. It's about 36 degrees Celsius. But I love my coffee, man. I gotta do my coffee, yeah?
Big girl's gotta eat.
These are the smoked wings here. It comes with that's a ranch dip or something.
Yeah.
And over here we've got, what's that, the ribs, pulled pork, and brisket. A little bit of coleslaw. The biscuit down there. The brisket looks pretty good. I'll tell you this much, the portions are smaller. Where's the camera? A bit smaller than what we're accustomed to getting at the other places. The one thing I noticed about this place is the other 2 barbecue joints that we've been to so far in this series, there was always...
Okay, here is the sneaky cheese with the ranch fries. Everybody, you need to try those fries, okay?
Oh, look at
Your
that.
regular fries are coming right up, and there's a couple knives there. So those fries are just going to be a minute, okay?
So the wings came with a salad, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And a coffee for you, more coffee for you, sir?
I'm good right now, thank
Good
you.
for now? Okay.
Yeah,
And as soon as those fries are up, I'll bring them up for you.
thank you. So I picked up, there's a loaded fry here. And there's a burger with sort of a cheese sauce, caramelized onions, some more cheese. And we got pickle on the side there, and I don't think I'm gonna like this cheese because I don't like this sort of out of a package sort of cheese, but she swears by it, she says it's good, so we'll see. Now, I think I chirped the fries, but man, is it ever flicking good, boy. Alright. So we're about 20 minutes into it. The burger is gone. The burger was decent. No, the burger was overcooked, but that's law in Canada. The burger itself was nothing to talk about. The fries, however, man, that loaded fries, that ranch loaded fries. We did end up getting some barbecue sauce, but to be honest with you, it tastes more like poultry seasoning than anything else. I don't even know what the big deal is down in this place here, man. Nothing really stood out except for the fries. And I'm sure you can get a fries anywhere about the place. I'm sorry, no. My mom said the biscuit, the buttermilk biscuit really stood out. And I'm looking there and it says there's a fried chicken special on Tuesday and a Thursday. A buttermilk fried chicken. So I may come back for that later on in the fall or something. But for now, I'm not really into it. And there's our server, Felina. Felina is a boss, man. She handled everything excellent. The food, however, I don't know, man. We might a little bit what these people have here. Oh, stealing candies, are we? Thanks, man.
Have a good one.
You too.